Hello everyone. So I'm doing on that video on this one's going to be if you know you've been constantly having recurring malaria, your immune system is always down, having you treat malaria over and over again. This is the remedy for you. So what you need is you need to get some onions, you need to get some ginger. So you peel and slice and dice the onions and the ginger, then you soak in a bowl with hot or warm water. You soak it and you leave it for 24 hours. Please make sure you cover it. So how you use it is you use half a glass twice a day, any time of the day. This is very effective for recurring malaria. Trust me, it's simple, but it's very, very effective. So ginger, onions, dice them, soak in a bowl with warm or hot water. Leave it for 24 hours. Make sure you cover it up properly. Now, to preserve, you do not need to leave. You don't just try and finish it. Try every new batch you do, just finish it. You need to do a new one, make a new batch. So this is very effective for treating malaria. So if you need to reach out to me for more advanced, you need help, you have questions, you have medical issues, you can call me on 080-683-54455. Bye.